Hello students. So in first part of this video we have finished the lesson first and its book exercises. In this part we will continue with the copy work. So first of all you have to make a 4-line copy which has left side blank and right side ruled. So you have to make a one side blank and one side ruled copy for your computer, and you will always write on the right side ruled page of the copy. Okay, you will write the date here and put the same date as I did. Then write classwork here and also do the page numbering for all the pages. Then draw 3-line margins. Usually we draw 2-line margin, but here as you can see the lesson name does not fit in the single line, so I have used next line also to complete the lesson name. You can also do the same. You can use 3-line margin, and if fits perfectly in the second line you can do that also, but be sure to leave one finger gap between the words. Okay, so in the first line in middle you will write lesson 1. In second line you will write the lesson name, that is computer and electronic device. Okay, then to finish the margin you will draw 2 lines at the top and bottom, then leave 1 line here. After drawing the margin you will leave 1 line, then after that line you will start writing. Draw small star here, simple small star as I did here. You can draw any other bullet if you want. I just want a small bullet here. Okay, then we will write difficult words. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-A, difficult. W-O-R-D-S, words. Then in the next line, immediate next line, you will start writing the difficult words. You will do the serial numbering the same way I did. First, second, third, and so on the next page. The first word is device. D-E-V-I-C-E, device. And you will write each typical word 3 times. First time here, second time here, third time here. And for this you will divide your half page from where you will start writing the typical words. You will divide that page in half using a scale. Okay, draw a line here using a scale and write 3 times. First time here, second time here, third time here, and you will not write anything here. We will leave this space blank. Okay, you got my point? Good. Next word is mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. You will also write it 3 times. I'm not written here. You will do it. I just written first one for you. Third word is decision. D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N, decision. Okay, then as you can see my page is finished here. As you can see my page is finished here, and if you have the lines left here you can use the same page, but if you don't have the space here, move to the next page. Don't write here. Okay, move to the next page. So your next word is input. I-N-P-U-T, P-U-T, input. Fifth word, output. O-U-T-P-U-T, output. Next word, process. P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process. Last word, electronic. E-L-E-C-T-R-O-N-I-C, electronic. I am giving a clear view here, so you can pause here to write it down. Okay, done for the first three words also. Done. Now move to the question answer. That you will start from a new page. Okay. Draw a small star just as I did before. Small star here. Then write question answer. Okay. You can copy it down same way as I did in your copy. Then in the next immediate line, write question first. Question 1. Then start writing. Mention the 3-step process on which a computer works. Then full stop. Then move to answer. Write answer. A computer works in 3 basic steps. Then after writing step, draw a small hyphen here and move to the next line and do the serial numbering as I did A, B, C. And start with the capital letter. Input. The next line, process. Last line, output. And after finishing the question first, draw one line here after the answer and leave one line. After question number 1, leave one line. Then you will write question number 2. I'm giving you a clear view of question number first, so you can pause it here to copy it down. Okay, done. Now come to second question. Question number 2. Write any 3 uses of a computer. Full stop. Answer. A computer helps us to. After to, a small hyphen here, then move to next line. A. Draw pictures. B. Solve sums. C. Play games. Then full stop. Then after question number 2, draw one line here after the answer. You will write all the 3 options in different lines. Use a sharp pencil to write and write in a very neat and beautiful writing. Use cursive writing to write. Okay. So I am giving you a quick view, clear view, so you can pause it here to write it down. Done. So this was your lesson first. Keep revising your lessons and keep your copy work up to date. As you know, we can call for your copy work for correction online. So be prepared with everything and stay healthy. Take care of you. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.